Hello students, today we will discuss few questions to find dy by dx. This is the given function implicit type of function, implicit. So we cannot separate y and x, and we cannot write y in term of x or x in term of y. So any function is of the form and y equal to f of x or x equal to g of y, generally known as explicit function. Whenever the separations between two variables not possible, we can say an implicit function. Implicit function. Okay, so we are given a type of implicit function. How to differentiate? The given function tan inverse x whole power y and y power cot x is equal to 1. Now we can try to write these two terms as exponential form. Then e power y log of tan inverse x. This is a conversion of tan inverse x whole power y in the form of exponential. Similarly, the second also e power cot x log y is equal to 1. Now we can try to differentiate term by term. So derivative of exponential function. First, the function itself, e power y log of and tan inverse x by chain rule. There are two factors. We have to apply product rule on these two factors, derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Okay, log of tan inverse x and plus y, derivative of tan inverse y into 1 by tan inverse by chain rule, derivative of tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square. So the entire thing is a derivative of the first term tan inverse x whole power y and plus the derivative of second term, first exponential, the function itself e power cot x log y. Then apply product rule between these two factors, derivative of cot minus cosecant square x into log y plus cot x derivative of log y 1 by y and then dy by dx. The derivative of 1 constant 0. Okay, this implies the first factor e power y log of tan inverse x, it can be written as a tan inverse x power y. This is tan inverse x whole power y into dy by dx log of tan inverse x plus y divided by tan inverse x into 1 plus x square. This next one, this is y power cot x into, you can write first positive value cot x by y into dy by dx minus cosecant square x into log y is equal to 0. Now we are going to retain the dy by dx term on the left side, the remaining term to the other side. So let us start first with the dy by dx. Take all the coefficient dy by dx from the existing terms. This is the coefficient dy by dx tan inverse x whole power y in the log of tan inverse x. So tan inverse x whole power y in the log of tan inverse x. For the second term, coefficient dy by dx cot x y power cot x or y power cot x minus 1 y power cot x minus 1 into cot x. Okay, the other side, the negative terms on the other side become positive term. Then y power and cot x into cosecant square x into log y. Then the positive term, the other side negative. Tan inverse x whole power y into y by tan inverse, or we can take the tan inverse, we can combine, minus 1 into y by 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square. Okay. Now dy by dx, the quotient of these two, y power cot x into cosecant square x log y minus tan inverse x whole power y minus 1 into y and 1 plus x square whole power minus 1. So divided by tan inverse x whole power y and the log of tan inverse x plus y power cot x minus 1 into cot x. Okay, the whole thing is dy by dx. So dear student, one important point, in case of implicit function, we cannot write dy by dx only in term of x term. So dy by dx is a mixed dy by dx another implicit function. Here also we cannot separate x and y. Therefore, derivative of implicit function is also an implicit function in many cases. Just go through it. We are going to discuss one more similar problems from the same type of question, implicit type, to get dy by dx. So dear student, next question, the same type, implicit function x power x, x power y power x is equal to a power b. We should find dy by dx. So as we discussed earlier, dy by dx is going to be an implicit function. Okay. Solution part, we can take the question as it is first. Then we are going to convert every term, all the three term, as an exponential function. X power x is nothing but e power x log x. X power y, e power y log x. Y power x, e power x log y. Is whole thing constant, a power b, no need conversion. Okay, so understood? Once again, I will give you the conversion formula. F of x whole power g of x is e power g of x first and log of the base, that is f of x. It's very important and most convenient conversion to differentiate any implicit type of function. Okay. Now let us differentiate with respect to x. Is it not? Then derivative of the exponential function. First e power x log x. Now we are going to differentiate x and log x using product rule. Derivative of x 1 into log x and plus x derivative of log x 1 by x. So the whole thing is a derivative of first term plus derivative of the second term e power y log x by chain rule, product rule between these two, derivative of y dy by dx into log x plus y upon x. Okay, plus next once again e power x log y, e power x log y, then product rule between these two factor, derivative of x 1 into log y plus x into derivative of log y 1 by y, and then by chain rule dy by dx. A power b is a constant, derivative of constant, no change, 0. Now e power x, log x is nothing but x power x into log x plus 1 is x power y into dy by dx log x plus y upon x. This is y power x log y x upon y and dy by dx is equal to 0. So dear student, as we discussed in the previous question, we are going to group two group. One is in term of dy by dx and the other group independent of dy by dx. The first group, the coefficient of dy by dx, dy by dx. So dy by dx coefficient x power y into log x, x power y into log x is selected. There is one more dy by dx term, y power x into x power y. It can be written as y power x minus 1 in dx, y power x by y power x minus 1 in dx. That's all. Is equal to the other side. So minus x power x into log x plus 1, then minus x power y minus 1 into y. These two, we multiply these two, x power y minus 1 into y, then minus y power x into log y. Okay, we need dy by dx, separate. Dy by dx is equal to, take minus common factor, x power x log x plus x power x minus plus x power y minus 1 into y plus y power x into log y. So whole divided by this, the whole thing, x power y log x plus y power x minus 1 into x. Okay, so this is derivative of dy by dx of the given implicit function. So the given function implicit, and here dy by dx also is written in the form of implicit functions. So dear student, we are going to discuss one more similar problems to find dy by dx from an implicit function. Keep watching. Okay, dear student, the third question, this also an implicit type of function. Cos x power y is equal to cos y power x. Then find dy by dx. Okay, then cos x raised to the power y, other side cos y raised to the power x. So we can write in the form of exponential, or we can introduce a log on both sides, taking log on both sides. This y log of cos x, the other side x log of cos y. Okay. Now we differentiate with respect to x. So there are two factors. Let us apply product rule. Derivative of first factor with respect to x dy by dx into log of and cos x plus y, derivative of log of cos x 1 by cos x, and then by chain rule derivative of cos x minus sin x. So it's going to be minus sin x by cos x. So that is minus tan x is equal to, now derivative of x1 into log of cos y plus x. So here also what will come? Minus sin y by cos y. Then we continue chain rule, the additional factor dy by dx, because we have differentiated every term with respect to x. So whenever we come across any term in term of y with the dy by dx factor. Now once again we are going to do grouping. So dy by dx coefficient log of cos x. Now we can bring the other term to the left side. So already negative, now positive plus x and tan y. Okay, yes. Take the remaining terms to the right hand side. Log of cos y. This minus tan, so plus y tan x. We are interested in getting dy by dx alone. Then log of cos y plus y tan x upon log of cos x plus x tan y. So dear student, and this is the answer. So keep watching, we will discuss one more similar question. The next question is simple type of implicit function. You introduce log on both sides and y log x. The other side y log x, this x power y power x. Okay. Then x log y. The question x power y equal to y power x. So after taking log y into log x into log y. Now differentiate with respect to x in order to get dy by dx. So derive the first factor dy by dx into log x, product rule y by x. Okay. The other side derivative of x log y, 1 into log y. This is into plus x by y into dy by dx. As usual, grouping. So dy by dx coefficient log x, from right side minus x by y is equal to log y minus y by x. Then this implies dy by dx into y log x minus x by y, x log y minus y by x. The other side dy by dx is equal to y by x into x log y minus y divided by y log x plus minus x. Okay, so this is the final answers. So my dear student, keep watching my videos and convey about my channel Murugayan Subramanian for the benefit of your school friend and other school friends. Thank you once again.